We were sent these wind chimes from GABZART, and we're going to go ahead and unbox these together. These are going to be the 32-inch vintage Hummingbird wind chimes. The first thing you're going to notice is how beautifully they're packaged. Everything is wrapped neatly so nothing's tangled or gets scratched during shipping, which is always a good sign with wind chimes. You'll get this little slip of paper with envelope to fill out to whoever you're giving it to. When I pulled them out of the box, the hummingbird design immediately stood out. It's very pretty, vintage look, and it's not cheap or overly shiny. The metal has a nice weight to it, and the colors are muted in a way that feels classy and timeless. You can tell the design was actually thought out and not rushed. The chimes themselves have a nice depth to them. Even before I hung them up, I tapped on one of the tubes, and the deep tone is exactly what I was looking for. Not teeny and not high-pitched. Just a calming, rich sound that fits perfectly in a garden or porch area. As you can tell, these were wrapped very securely inside the box. Hanging this up is going to be super easy. The top ring is sturdy, and once it was in place, the chimes fell naturally into position with no tangling. Even a light breeze gets them moving, and the sound is honestly really relaxing. One of those tones you could sit and listen to on the patio without it being too loud or annoying.